Yungi, don't have any expectation from this marriage. I married to you just because of my son. You are just a caretaker of my son, nothing else. So it would be better if you stay in your limits and don't show me your cheap gold digger face. Every month's first day you will get your salary just like other workers. Don't you dare to come in front of me. Stay at least 100 feet far away from me. Always remember you are here for my son. This isn't your house. Don't touch anything without my permission. Put the phone on the center table. This is your new mobile. You can call me at any time, but remember, I am very busy person. My each second is very expensive. So call me when you have any urgent work. We have made to do household chores, so you don't have to do anything. You can enjoy your life in luxury. I know you never see this before. After all, you always want to experience luxury things without doing anything. You want to survive on others' money. That's why you did this marriage. I know you very well. Cookie is my life. If anything happened to him or a single tear drop from his eyes, then think that day will be your last day. Shoot him. So that would be better if you not meet with Mafia men Yungi. Do you get it? Jimin slowly nodded his head. Yes, Yungi. There is your room. You can go and arrange your things. One more thing. All the things should be on their right place. Don't mess with anything. I hate mess. Always remember this. Now go. Sit coldly. Jimin came to his room with his luggage. Jimin, oh, so this is my room. Not bad. This is so beautiful. Only colors are missing. He was standing near the bed and looking at the room. Suddenly, someone hugged his leg with tiny baby hands. He was Cookie, Yoongi's son, for whom he married. Jimin looked at him and placed him on the bed and kneeled down in front of him. Jimin, so you are Cookie, for whom I came here. Placed him on the bed. Cook giggles. Oma! Jimin looked at here and there. Oma? Where is Oma? Cook pointed his tiny baby finger on him. Oma! Jimin pointed his finger on himself. Me? Oma? Cook nodded his head vigorously and pointed his finger on himself. Cookie! Pointed his finger on Jimin. Oma! Jimin, oh no, I'm not your Oma. Cook sad pout. Me! Jimin, oh don't be sad baby. I was saying I'm not your Oma. Oma is a girl. I'm a boy, so you can call me Appa. Cook, Oma. Jimin, baby say up. Cook, up. Jimin, very good. Now say pa. Jimin, pa. Jimin, now sit together. Appa. Cook, Oma. Happily giggles. Jimin, ah, Appa baby, Appa. Cook smiled to see his frustrated face. Appa. Jimin looked at him. You naughty boy, you were teasing me. Cook quickly held his ears by his hands. Sorry. Jimin, it's okay baby. Appa isn't angry. Now let me arrange my clothes. Otherwise, your dad will scold Appa. Cook, Cookie, help. Jimin, Cookie wanna help Appa? Cook nodded his head vigorously. Yes, Cookie, big boy. Jimin smiled. Of course, my Cookie is a big boy. Kissed on his forehead. With that, they both started arranging the clothes in the closet. Ortha's point of view, Yoongi is a mafia who hates beautiful things. Why? You will know soon. He is a single father. Cookie is his son, whom he loves the most. He doesn't want to do this marriage, but his young Jin made him understand that Cookie needs a person who can take care of him. He needs proper attention, which Yoongi can't give him. Jin has his own family to take care. He raised Cook. He needs his Oma who teach him good things and give her love to him. Jungi didn't agree with him. According to him, he is enough for his son. He can give him both Oma and Appa's love, but Jin is Jin. He didn't listen to him and started finding a suitable girl for him. But destiny already planned something for him. By searching a suitable girl for Yoongi, Jin's search stopped at the boy Park Jimin. First time he saw him at the hospital where he was buying the medicines for someone. When Jin asked him, then he said that he is buying that for an old woman who can't stand in queue. Is this allergic behavior born Jin's heart? He found out about him and got to know he is only son of his parents. His dad is suffering from a deadly disease. He was doing 4 jobs for his dad's treatment. He left his studies in middle. After spying on a month, he decided to let him marry with Yoongi. Cookie can't get any better parent than him. He went to Jimin's parents with a proposal of marriage. Jimin's parents immediately denied because Yoongi already had a son. They were helpless, but not this much to sell their son and his happiness. Jin told them the truth and assured them that he will take the responsibility of Jimin's happiness. Jin told to Jimin that he will take the full expenses of his dad's treatment. Jimin agreed because he knew that no matter how many jobs he does, he can't give his dad better treatment. Jin forced Yoongi to marry with Jimin, which obviously Yoongi denied but can't won by Jin's and ended up doing court marriage. Cookie was happy to know that now he has a Oma like other children. Time skipped in the morning. Yoongi left for his work. Jin came to meet him. He was in kitchen preparing food. Cookie was playing around Jin and getting scoldings. Jin, Cookie, now you get something from me. Why are you playing here? Go and play outside. Cook, Ginny, 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 happily giggles while running in the kitchen. Jin, Cookie, if you don't listen to me, then I will cut your banana milk. Cook opened the fridge. Dada, buy nana milk cooking. Jin looked at the fridge which is full with banana milk. OMG, Yoongi is insane. Who brought this much banana milk for a kid? Cook, Tata, again started running. Jin showed him spatula. Cookie, stop running and close the door of fridge. Jimin came there. Sir, when did you come and whom are you scolding? Jin looked at him. Few minutes ago I came. I thought to meet you. Jimin, you did good. By the way, whom are you scolding? Jin, this brat, he is running inside the kitchen and didn't let me cook peacefully. See, he opened the door of fridge too. Cook, offended. Cookie, no brat. Cookie, good boy. Jimin closed the door of fridge and picked him in his arms. Come here, my good boy. Cook giggles. Appa. Jimin, by the way, sir, Jin, Hyang. Jimin, who? Jin, call me Hyang. Now I am your Hyang, not sir. Jimin smiled. Okay, Hyang. Why are you cooking? Maids are here to cook. Jin, I don't like meats and food. I love to cook food by myself. Have you eaten your breakfast? Jimin, not yet. Jin, wait, did Yoongi say anything? Jimin, just like you told me before, he said so many things. He told me that he doesn't want to see my face. That's why I didn't come out from my room. Jin, stop cooking. Jimin, let me give you a tip of successful happy married life. Jimin, what's that, Yang? Jin, first and very important rule, never listen to your husband. It's your house and you are the king here. Behave like king and make your husband follow your rules. Jimin, what are you saying, Yang? Cook, Jinny, Appa, king. Jin, yes baby, your Appa is a king. See, our Cookie understands this. Jimin, Yang, yesterday he said, don't show me your face here, and here you are saying rule the house. It's next to impossible. Jin, no need to escape from him. He won't do anything. He only looks cold and scary, but from inside he is so soft. Jimin, then what should I do? Jin, live your life freely, do whatever you want, and try to make your place in his heart. Jimin, but how, Hang? He doesn't wanna see my face. Do I look this much bad? Jin, no, Jimin, please don't think like this. You are so beautiful. He didn't wanna see your face because you are so beautiful and he hates beautiful things. Jimin, means why do he hate beautiful things? Does he has any problem or allergy? Jin, oh no, not like this. Looked at Cookie. Cookie, did you show your drawings to your appa? Cook shook his head vigorously. No, Cookie, no show appa. Jin, then go and get your drawing book. Your appa should know how much talented our Cookie is. Cook, Utti, ran to his room. Jimin, Yang, why did you send Cookie to his room? Jin, because I wanna tell you something very important. Now you are Yoongi's husband, so it's your right to know everything about him. Jin, Yang, now you are scaring me. Jin, there is nothing to scare. Don't afraid. Yoongi has a girlfriend in past. He loves him so much, but she loves his money. Yoongi wanted to marry her, but she didn't. One day she met Yoongi and made a relation with him. When Yoongi got to know this, he became mad. He didn't want any relation before marriage, but by then she got pregnant and started threatening him about Cookie. Even though Yoongi isn't responsible for the child, but then also he can't let that innocent unborn child harm. So he agreed to her and fulfilled her demands. After Cookie's birth, he gave him huge amount of money and legally got Cookie. He loves Cookie a lot because he was innocent. There isn't his fault, but he still didn't get over from that cheating. It put huge impact on him. She is so beautiful. Yoongi trapped in her beauty. That's why he hate beautiful things. He thought every beautiful person is a gold digger and used his or her beauty as a weapon. Jimin, OMG, this much big cheating. How can anyone do this just for money? Jimin, this world is full of greedy people. You can't even imagine how much cheap level they fell. For them, only money matters. For that, they can do anything without any hesitation. This is rich people's life. Usually, people think rich people are so lucky. They don't have any problem in their life if they know the truth. Not all the things which seems happy as it looks. Reality is totally different. Rich people can buy anything, but they can't buy true love and genuine care. People only care for their money, not for them. Jimin, it's not true, Yang. Not everyone like her. There are some genuine people too who love to person, not money. Jin, there are only few people who thinks like this. 95% are like her. Note: this is a real incident. Few months ago, a case happened where a girl married to a man for his money. After 6 months, she took divorce and got 1/5 share of her husband's property as alimony. If wife is cheater, then she can't get any alimony, but you need to prove that, which is next to impossible. Government made laws for women's welfare, but sadly, some women use it as a weapon, and who genuinely needs this law can't get enough guts to stand for herself. Jimin, that's why yesterday Yoongi called me cold digger. Jin, don't take his words on your heart. His wounds are still raw. You have to put ointment of your love on his wounds. You have to believe him that everyone isn't a cheater like her. He needs time to move on from this trauma. You have to be patient with him. I know I'm asking too much from you, but I can't do anything. I'm helpless. Will you help me to get him back normal again? Jimin, of course, Yang, I will help you. It's not his fault. He only loved her, but she cheated him. Don't worry, Yang. I promise you, I will fix everything. Indeed, our marriage is a compulsion, but I will turn into in love and try everything to make it successful. Jin, thank you so much, Jimin. You don't know how much big hope you give to me. I have full trust on you. You can do this. I will help you as much as I can. Cook ran there with his drawing book. Appa, appa, appa. Jimin quickly held him. Come here, my baby. Cook showed him a drawing of a family. Dada, Cookie, Appa. Jimin, I will soon make this drawing into reality. Kissed on his forehead. Time skipped after 3 months. It's been 3 months since Yunmin's marriage. Cookie is much more happier than before. Yoongi is also happy to see his happiness. Soon Jimin's angelic behavior won Yoongi's heart. He started liking him but didn't want ready to accept this. He is afraid to get heartbreak once again, but love always makes it way. In these 3 months, Yoongi said so many things to Jimin, but Jimin didn't lose his patience and answered him calmly. He won his heart by his nature, not by his beauty. Right now, Jimin and Cookie were going to Yoongi's office to give him lunch. Cookie was all excited to go there as he never went there. After that, they will pick Yoongi and go to amusement park. Cook, Appa, let's go. Cookie ready. Jimin, don't run, Bun. Cook, Appa, catch Cookie. Jimin, you little bunny, wait, run behind him. Time skipped after some times. Jimin reached at Yoongi's office with Cookie. Driver dropped them and went to park the car. Cookie saw a balloon, so he ran to take it. It was busy road, but did a Cookie noticed? Nah, he didn't notice this and started running behind the balloon to catch it. Cook, while looking at the balloon, balloon! Jimin shouts, Cookie, don't run, stop right there, it's a busy road, you will get hurt. Cook, Appa, Cookie, balloon! Jimin saw a car going to hit him. Cookie! Screamed his lungs out. Jimin ran to him and quickly hugged him and immediately put brakes. But then also Jimin got hit and fell on the road with Cookie in his arms. He was hugging him tightly. Nothing happened to him, but Jimin's left arm injured and started bleeding. He was wearing black shirt so it can't visible. He forgot about his pain and quickly checked Cookie. That's what parents do, right? Cookie got scared and started crying loudly. Jimin, while checking him, Cookie, baby, are you alright? Cook hugged him tightly. Appa! Jimin, Appa is here, baby, don't cry. Wiped his tears. Men went to him. I'm really sorry. I put the brakes, but don't know how did you get hit. Jimin, it's alright. It's not your fault. It's my son's fault. He ran here. I'm sorry from his behalf. Man, it's okay. He's just a baby. Come, let's go to hospital. Jimin, no, it's alright. I'm fine. Man, are you sure? Jimin, yeah, I'm 100% sure. Once again, sorry for whatever happened here. Man, it's alright. Take care of him. Left. Jimin walked towards the building with Cookie in his arms. Cook saw the food basket on the road and started crying more loudly to see the food on the road. Jimin threw the food basket and ran to save Cookie. Jimin, Cookie, why are you crying now? Don't cry. Appa will buy you lots of balloons. Cook, Cookie, bad boy. Cookie waste. Yum food. Tata mad. Jimin, No, my cookie is a good boy that I won't be mad on him. It's okay. Today we will do our lunch outside. Now don't cry and smile, okay? Cookie, surely, Appa. Jimin, it's alright, baby. Don't cry. Now let's go to your dada, okay? Jimin came inside the building with Cookie in his arms. He was going to Yoongi's office, but a receptionist stopped him. Receptionist, hey, where are you going? Jimin, inside to meet my husband. Receptionist, here isn't your husband, you can go from here. Jin was passing by there. He saw a receptionist was arguing with someone, so he went to him. Jin, what's happening here? Receptionist, Jin sir, see, he is going inside. When I stopped him, he started arguing. Jimin, Jin Hyang. Jin, Jimin, what are you doing here? Jimin, we came here to pick Yoongi, then we three will go to amusement park. Jin, oh, nice plan. Cookie is also here. Cookie, don't you wanna come to your Jinny? Cook looked at him with teary eyes. Jinny. Jin worried. Cookie, what happened, baby? Why are you crying? Jimin, Hyang, I prepared the lunch and took that here, but it fell outside. Since he is crying, he isn't stop crying. Jin took Cookie from him. It's okay, baby, don't cry. Jinny will buy you lots of tastiest food. Don't worry. Jimin, Hyang, please buy him a balloon. Jin, Cookie wants balloons? Then Jinny will buy Cookie lots of balloons. Jimin, we are going outside to buy balloon. Yoongi's office is straight, then take right. He is alone. Go. Jimin, thanks Hyang. Left. Jimin knocked the door and came inside. Jimin, Yoongi, mad. Jimin, you, what are you doing here? Jimin, I came here to pick you. We are going on lunch after that amusement park. Let's go. Yoongi looked at him. Why? Do you think I am your servant who will follow your orders? Jimin, I didn't mean that, Yoongi. I was just... Yoongi, yeah, you wouldn't mean that. Problem is you never mean anything. First you trapped my Hyang in your this trash fish, then trapped my son too. Now you're desperate to trap me too, right? Jimin, yep, right. I trapped Jin Hyang in my trap and Cookie too. Now I want you to fall in my trap. Yoongi, so finally you admitted your cheap tactics. Jimin, let me complete my sentence, Yoongi. My trap is made by love. I love you so much. I only want you. Yoongi, I know you very well. You won't come in your cheap tactics. I know you are only after my money. Behind this beautiful face, there is a black heart. Jimin, it's not like that. I'm not like your cheater girlfriend. You can't paint everyone by same brush. If one person cheated you, it doesn't mean everyone like that person. Yes, I know it's difficult to trust again, but at least you should try. Cupped his face. Just look into my eyes. It's filled with deep love and care. Can't you see my love for you in my eyes? Do you think my eyes are lying? Yoongi looked into his eyes and held his arm tightly. Your eyes are also lying just like you. I hate you from bottom of my heart. I hate you the most. You are nothing for me. Just get out from my life. I'm ready to give you any amount. Jimin undoes the pin. If you wanna give me anything, then give me you. I only want you and your love. Except this, I want nothing. I love you the most. Min Yoongi, I madly love you. You are my everything. Where do I go after leaving you? You and Cookie are my life. Neither I will go anywhere nor anyone can separate me from my family. Set this in your mind. If you are stubborn, then I am more stubborn than you. Yoongi held Jimin's injured arm more tightly. Because of that, flow of blood increased. Yoongi didn't know about this. Cookie passed inside the office while chanting Tata, Appa. Yoongi quickly left his hand and moved from him. Cook happily came inside to show them his balloon. Tata, Appa, balloon. Yoongi kneeled down to his level. Cookie, balloons is so beautiful, just like my Cookie, gently pressed his cheek. Cook giggles. Ginny, balloon, Cookie. Yoongi, oh, so Jin Hyung brought balloons for Cookie. That's good. Cook, Cookie, surely. Yoongi, why are you saying sorry? Now what did you do? Cook, balloon, fly. Cookie, run. Car, come. Cookie, cry. Appa, hug Cookie. Car hit Appa. Appa, Cookie, fall. Yum, food, fall. Cookie, surely. Yoongi, what? I started checking him. Are you alright? Did you hurt anywhere? Cookie, utti. Appa hurt, said to Jimin. Appa, Cookie, surely. Jimin smiled. It's alright, baby. Go to Jin Hyang and play with him. Cook, utti, showed him his bunny smile and ran outside. Yoongi went to Jimin and started checking him and found his left arm was bleeding. He made him sit on the couch and brought first aid kit and started treating his wounds. Jimin, what are you doing? Leave my hand. Yoongi, stay still. Don't you dare to move. You were talking nonsense from so long, but can't you tell that your left hand is bleeding? We are going to hospital. Jimin, I'm not going anywhere. Why would I tell you anything? Who am I for you? Yoongi, you still have stamina to act arguing even after losing this much blood? Jimin, I only want you. I love you so much. Yoongi, it can't be possible. Jimin, it can't be possible because I'm beautiful. Right, then today I will ruin this beauty by myself. He picked a small knife from the first aid kit and about to cut his face, but Yoongi quickly snatched it from his hand and threw it. Yoongi angrily, have you lost your mind? What the hell were you doing? Jimin, leave me, Yoongi. My beauty is the wall between us. Today I will remove it. You won't accept me until I'm beautiful. My beautiful face reminds you, your cheater girlfriend, and her betrayal. Then I will become ugly. I only want you and your love. For that, I'm ready to do anything. Yoongi shook him harshly. Are you mad? Come back to your right sense. Jimin screamed, no, I can't. I'm just tired of everything. If your cheater girlfriend cheat you, then what's my mistake in this? Why can't I get my husband's love? I can't live without you and Cookie. Why can't you understand this? You see your girlfriend cheat you, but you can't see how much your husband love you. Why can't you forget that betrayer and move on your life? Why don't you want to start your life with me and Cookie? Does that betrayer's fake love matter more than our true and genuine love? Leave me, I just want to end everything. Jimin's patience had ended. He burst on Yoongi out of anger. He said him everything which he hid inside his heart. Now he is out of control. Yoongi quickly smacked his thin lips with Jimin's plumpy lips and started kissing him to calm down. Soon Jimin's anger melted and he started responding him too. With same love and passion, Jimin was waiting for this from ages. Both of them were lost in each other. They forgot that they were in office, not in their bedroom. Soon Cookie came there and saw them kissing. He quickly closed his eyes by his hands and ran outside and bumped with Jin. Jin, Cookie, where are you going while closing your eyes? Cook, Jinny, Dada, up, loves, Appa, said happily while pointing his tiny baby finger on his lips. Jin, shocked, really? Wait, let me check. Cook came in between. No, Jinny, no, she, Dada, Appa. Jinny, Cookie, go. Held his right index finger with his full hand and started dragging him outside. Jin wins. Wait, it's not fair. Never cheat or betray anyone for your benefit. Maybe it's just a fun for you, but for other person it can be a lifelong trauma. He or she can't be able to trust on anyone again. The end. Author's note: That's it for today. Hope you all like it. This was a requested story for one shot. I changed lots in requested storyline because I can't promote wrong things. I know it's a story, then also I can't show wrong things, and I can't say no to my readers too. So I change the things according to me. I hope you all enjoy it. Government made the rules to stop the exploitation of women, but some cheap girls used it as a weapon and took the advantage of their rights. Nowadays, we see so many false cases of domestic violence, cheating, betrayal. Because of that, people are losing trust on women. When the real victim stand against this, then no one gonna believe or support her. It's the bitter truth of today's world. Some girls are really genuine, but no one believes them. Because of few girls, lots of real victims suffered. Whose mistake is this? Government? No, it's not government's fault. It gave us equality. It's the fault of those greedy girls and their supporter. We should stop them before it's too late. It's the wrongest story I have ever made. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.